Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Tahmidul Islam and I am from GMT campus. Good morning and a warm welcome to you all. I am delighted to deliver a speech on my beloved school, Park International School and College, where may Allah with my peers and friends learn and grow in the most caring, fun and beautiful way. I study our permanent campus in Green Model Town. The campus is very big, well decorated and filled with greenery, which makes it and the helpful environment for students to focus on their studies. My school has a big playground which allows me and my friends to run around and play to our heart's content. We play various games in the playground and lost track of time due to the never-ending fun. The wide-built playground looks extra special when birds come around and sit in the trees, painting our campus like a real fairy tale picture. We the students of Park International School consider ourselves lucky as we have such loving and bright teachers to teach us. They encourage us in both studies and in extracurricular activities and also especially in moral education. I always look forward towards the various competitions to participate and show my talent. I am proud to say that I am a student of this excellent institution where every day I grow to a better version of myself. For this, I thank the school management, principal for offering a excellent educational environment, and I also thank my teachers, my parents, my friends, and most importantly, the beautiful institution called Park International School and College for everything. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.
ধন্যবাদ। আমরা একটি জোর করতালে আশা করছি আমাদের ক্ষুদে শিক্ষার্থীদের